Hello my people. We are a close-knit family of 6 members, 3 brothers and 3 sisters, who believe that life is not a gamble. But we are a very real depressed family because our top loader Samsung machine broke down the other day, so we can't wash our clothes. So we are looking for very serious technicians who can convert this automatic machine into a manual machine. We are looking for only very serious technicians because the rewards and the punishments are enormous. The technician who succeeds to convert it into a manual machine will be handsomely rewarded. We are giving them 10,000 and free advertisement by word of mouth. But the technician who fails to convert this machine after 6 hours might have to walk out of our premises as cargo. Or better still, for him, he'll be maimed for life. Please, if you are serious, DM us so that we can drop you a pin to our location. And please do not share that location with anyone because we don't want any investigations.